As the new year begins, experts are predicting the trajectory of the Bitcoin price for 2023. Some, like Tim Draper, believe the cryptocurrency will see a 1,400% rally and reach $250,000 by mid-2023 due to improved macroeconomic conditions and increased adoption, particularly among women who control 80% of retail spending but currently hold only 1 in 7 Bitcoin wallets. Carol Alexander, professor of finance at Sussex University, believes there will be 2 short-term rallies for Bitcoin, taking it back to $30,000 and then to $50,000, due to less competition in the market after the collapse of FTX and Three Arrows Capital. However, others, like Eric Robertsen from Standard Chartered, predict that the Bitcoin price could fall to its 2020 levels at $5,000 due to a lack of investor trust and more capitulation from crypto companies. Mark Mobius, who correctly predicted the BTC crash from $30,000 to $20,000 in 2022, believes the cryptocurrency could drop to around $10,000 if the Federal Reserve continues to tighten its monetary policy. Economist Peter Schiff has predicted that the US dollar index will have one of its worst years in 2023, with the index ending 2022 at a 6-month low. He believes that this weakness will continue in 2023 and cause inflation to get much worse, citing rising consumer prices and poor stock performance as contributing factors. This may be good news for Bitcoin, as the digital asset has historically performed well when the value of the dollar declines. For example, when the dollar index hit a 3-year low in 2021, Bitcoin's price rallied and reached an all-time high of $69,000. However, the performance of the stock market may also impact Bitcoin's growth. There is disagreement among Bitcoin commentators about the future of the cryptocurrency. Eric Voorhees, CEO of cryptocurrency exchange Schiff, has predicted that Bitcoin BTC will reach $40,000 by summer 2023, while Bitcoin billionaire investor Tim Draper has renewed his prediction of $250,000 for BTC by April 2024. Bloomberg Intelligence senior commodity strategist McGlone has predicted that BTC will reach $100,000 by 2025. The future performance of Bitcoin will depend on macroeconomic factors such as interest rates and monetary conditions, as well as adoption and demand.